Hello viewers, welcome to Dev's Coding Hub, and as you all know that I have already started a series on Visual Basic, and as I have promised, I am ready with the first project we will create in Visual Basic. And today we are going to create a project that will have a command button, and when it is clicked, a message will be displayed. So let us see how it will look. So let us proceed to our project. So let's start. So this is our Visual Basic window. We'll select standard.exe as our project type, and I'll click on open. So this is our form that we are going to design. Let us set the caption of the form as message of the day. So whenever a form is selected, its properties are shown in the properties box. So from the properties box or properties window, you can set the caption of the form. Now see, the caption of the form is changed. Now let us set the background color of the form. For this, we need to go to back color, click on the drop down, go to palette, and suppose I am selecting this green color. The background of the form is set, and the title of the form is also set by changing the caption property. So let us insert the command button first. This is the command button in the toolbox, second column and third row. I'll double click on it. It will be added to the form. Now we need to change the caption of the command button too. For this, we'll again go to this caption property, and I'll type message of the day as its caption. We can increase the size of the command button so that the caption fits properly. Now we can increase the size of the caption. For this, we need to go to the font property of this command button. So click on this three dot. It is a dialog box launcher. So it will launch the font dialog box. I'm choosing this one, making it bold, and the font size will be set to 18. Let us click on OK. Now see, we have a button, and the caption of the button is set. So the caption of the button is set. Let us resize the button so that it looks better. Now let me drag the button on top of the form area. Now to write code for this button, what we need to do, we need to generate the click event of this button. So to do so, we'll double click on this button. See, the click event of this button is generated automatically. It is private sub command 1 is the name of the button and underscore click. That means it is a click event of the button command 1. So our command button is command 1 and its click event is generated. So whatever I write inside it, it will be executed when I click on the button at runtime. So to display a message, we need to write msg box, stands for message box. And after that, within double quotes, I'll have to provide a string that will be displayed as the message. So this is called a prompt parameter. So the prompt is, suppose, I love my students. Now if I do so, I'll be able to display a message. So let us see how it is done. I'm not saving the project for this time. I'll click on the start button to run. Now see, the interface is displayed. The title of the form is message of the day, and there is a button called message of the day. If I click on this button, see, I get this message. But I don't get this message on top of this form. And this form is not positioned at the center of the screen. So let us see how it is done. I'll close this. Let us again go back to the view object. Now see, I'll click on this form and I'll go to a property called startup position. So this is the startup position property. You can look at it. This is the startup position. Okay. And I'll set the startup position as center screen. So now if I run this form, it will be at the center of the screen. And if I click on the message, it will appear at the center of the screen. Now it looks better. If I click on OK, I'll close the message. So this is a message dialog box. So you can notice the title of the message box is project 1. What if I want to change this title? So let us click on OK, close the message, close the project, and again go back to the code view. So after this message, if I put a comma, I'll be able to display the type of message. So I can choose any of this following type, message type, and that will be represented by a particular icon. So I'll write VB information. So I'll get an eye icon for this message box. So let us see how this eye icon is displayed. See, in front of the message, we have got this eye icon. Now still we have that project 1 as the title of the message. We'll change this to something else. Let us close, give another comma. Now we are ready to give the title of the message. Within double quotes, I can write MOTD, message of the day. So I've set the title of the message and let us see how it works. So this is the form and this is the button. If I click here, see, the title of the message is 10. So sequentially, if you see the code in message box, first one is the message itself, which is called the prompt. Second one is the message type that will show this icon, eye icon for VB information. It will be separate for, suppose, VB critical, and MOTD is the title of the message box. So hope you have understood how we can display a message. Okay, and this is all in our first project. If you have liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Give a comment so that I can understand what I need to improve, and if you have any queries, you can put it in the comments. Keep coding.